smiling. Hey, Ruby. You getting up?
It's so bright.
We have to go soon.
Okay.
What?
Have you seen the keys?
No. Did you not put them up where they're supposed to go? What am I gonna do with you? I'm putting on socks. Ooh. I'm gonna wear these platform Uggs. Do I have 3 pairs of the same skim socks? I think I am gonna wear this tank top again. This is actually a misprint. They printed it
What?
inside out. I'm vlogging.
I found my key.
Where were they?
On the bed.
I need a black.
Try to help me move this board.
Yeah, I do. Just let me find. Have you seen my Bring Me the Horizon hoodie?
Crew neck.
No, I just found the Skims one I forgot I had.
Like the bear.
Does this look okay?
Yes.
Do my legs look too big?
No.
Be real.
I am real.
Get real.
Get real.
Okay, let's go try and carry this thing out. We've got to go pick up my brother and his wife and my nephew. Let me do a fit check.
What's it giving?
It's giving... I don't know how to dress myself. It's kind of cute. What do you think?
Yeah, you're cute.
Okay, Jayce has purchased something wild. And now we have to get it out of the trunk. Oh my gosh, there's no way. What do you even need this for?
This is the board from KTLA.
What does that mean? The news station?
No, the radio station. I'm gonna record with this. This is a very famous board.
It's giving trash.
It is. What do you mean it's giving trash? This is like.
Look how dirty it is.
I know. That's why I got a good deal at it. I gotta clean it up and fix it.
One man's trash is another man's treasure.
This is definitely not trash. This section alone.
If he gave it away for crazy cheap, it was trash.
This section alone fixed up 15 grand. Just this part.
Okay, great. Let's sell it. How'd you get it in here?
He helped me.
Okay, so why didn't he come here? That's just a part of the deal. It's giving not gonna happen. Okay, can I feel how heavy it is? Bean.
Look, I'll take the bulk of it.
I'm scared. What if I drop it?
I don't think you will. You can
What
grab
if-
on at any point of it. The whole thing's really sturdy.
I'm not worried about sturdiness. I'm worried about strength.
I gotta figure out an alternative
Can you
here.
ask a neighbor?
What if I... Oh, you know what?
The dolly? This weighs like 600 pounds.
It's not 600 pounds.
Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. I feel helpless. Oh my gosh, please don't hurt yourself. Please don't hurt yourself. Can you...
I don't know where I'm gonna put it down though.
I thought you were just gonna walk like that.
No. You know that tool cart I have?
That's not gonna hold this. That thing's gonna snap in half. It's plastic. This needs to return to sender. That's the vibe I'm getting.
No. I don't know why I expected that to be way bigger when it came over here.
I don't know what you're thinking. Ladies, let me tell you something. Don't ever let your man take the car and go meet with people because they come home with stuff like this.
Don't worry, after I fix this, it's going to the studio.
I think after you fix this, it should go on reverb.
So I guess Panera?
We're in the Starbucks drive-thru line, but when we ordered, she said they don't have any breakfast sandwiches left.
Oh, we can
So-
pre-order our sandwiches at Panera.
I guess we're just gonna wait in this line and then head over to Panera. I forgot to lint roll my leggings. Scooch over.
A thumbnail now?
Yeah, why not?
What? What?
Okay, crazy ass. Never mind.
I was trying to make a good.
Absolutely bonkers.
I was
this
trying to
morning.
make a good thumbnail. It happened again.
Ooh, you know what I saw?
What's
Someone
that?
on TikTok posted their favorite thing as a barista to drink at Starbucks, and it was an what was it called? I think I might have favorited it. Con panna, is that how you say it? Espresso. Order an espresso con panna upside down with raw sugar packet on top. Watch how good this looks. That looks good.
I don't know.
Yeah, it does.
I don't know.
I don't think you need to stop.
Oh, I tried to order a breakfast sandwich, but you didn't have any.
Sorry about that.
You're so hot.
Well, I didn't want to be
I knew
like,
you were
"What are
going to do
doing?"
something awkward too.
He was like, what?
You
What's
kept on
happening?
the gas while you were talking, so you're like turning around out of the car. Why does it say my screen time was up 72% last week for an average of 17 hours and 44 minutes a day?
Sounds about right.
I'm not awake that long.
Yes, you are.
17 hours of the day? That would mean I'm sleeping 7 hours and on my phone 24/7. You know what it is? It's because I play YouTube stuff all day while I'm cleaning.
Well, that's still being on your phone.
Yeah, but they shouldn't count that.
What do you mean?
They should count if you're, like, they should know, they have the technology to see if, like, your eyes are looking at the screen, you know, with, like, the Face ID. They should know, like, oh, this person is just listening to a podcast while they were cleaning the house, being productive, not staring at Instagram. Back in the Panera Bread parking lot, we are just getting a breakfast sandwich. Before heading to the airport, we have to drive so far. It says it's going to take an hour and a half, which means we're actually going to be quite late. That is not good, my friend. Jayce bought one of these cheap cords, you know, that's not like an actual Apple cable, and it does not work. It charged my phone 1% on like a 2-hour drive. It went from 13% to 14%. I think the plan for today is we're gonna pick up the kids, go to, I say kids, I'm only a year and a half older than my brother, but he's always my little brother to me. We're gonna go pick them up, bring them to my mom's house, because they're gonna stay there tonight. And then we're doing Christmas morning tomorrow for them. So today, Jayce and I have to finish wrapping everything. We did not do it yesterday. After the whole tree fiasco and the lights, I'll save you the story of the lights, but we waited so long for those lights to get here and they're the wrong ones. And I thought they were the exact same. My mistake. I don't know what we're gonna do at my mom's today, if she has plans. I think she's decorating it as like a birthday party because both freaking bug in here. No. What is that? Okay. Sorry about that. What was I saying? It was my nephew's birthday at the end of November, and it's my sister-in-law's birthday was December 1st. So we're doing like a little birthday party. You're gonna have a cake and stuff for them. And yeah, then tomorrow we're doing Christmas for them. We're supposed to go to Disneyland. I haven't bought the tickets yet because I'm kind of waiting to see what the vibes are. I don't know if my nephew is going to love Disneyland or not. I think we're gonna do the zoo over here first and see how that goes. I've been trying the About Face mascara. Kind of crazy, huh? We are home, bright as hell. We dropped my brother and family off at my mom's for the night. Stocking stuffers for their stockings we're doing tomorrow. What a day. It's already afternoon. World's smallest laser guns. I'm gonna assume these are for my brother. I don't like to vlog my family because I don't think they really want to be on camera a lot, so might miss a day or two of Vlogmas, but we'll see. My mom got him some weed gummies for his stocking. Why do I kind of want to keep this for myself? Is that cute? We still have to wrap all the presents today. I think I'm gonna wash my hair again today. I don't know why, my hair just feels like it's being weighed down by something. Maybe I put too much leave-in conditioner, I'm not sure. Then I'm gonna do my nails. I know I just did these not that long ago, but I've been like doing stuff that's making them lift. I also sat down somehow with my phone in my back pocket, and I like sat right like this on top of these nails, and they like crunched down, so now I feel like they're lifting off quite a bit. And because I did like a clear color right here, you can see the bubble where they're lifting up. So I'm gonna do that. We have to wrap presents. And I think that's pretty much it for the night. We have to get stuff for breakfast tomorrow because we're doing like Christmas tomorrow. Are you eating some food, bud? Oh my goodness. What you doing?
Me?
Yes, you.
I'm getting ready to cook huge breakfast.
We forgot to finish vlogging yesterday because it's been hectic. Come on. I did do my nails yesterday. They're kind of ugly. Santa finished putting all the presents under the tree. Look how good Jayce is at wrapping. I could never. So the kids are coming over. The house is pretty clean. I just need to finish putting my stuff away. Jayce is making a big breakfast. We're doing like an early Christmas for them. We also got a bunch of lottery tickets. It's what we like to put in stockings. I feel like no one in my family has good luck with scratchers, so we'll see. We always lose, but Jayce has a feeling that we're gonna win today. Right, Bean?
I got a feeling.
I've got a feeling.
It's gonna be the good night.
Alright, I'm gonna turn the lights on. Look at this baby. And this baby. Just put these lights up here. Cute. Hi, Ozzy. Hello, bud. Come here. Come here. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, hi, Rue. I'm surprised the boys have not tried to take this little Grinch. I know they want to, huh?
Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the mic and reunion. This year, I don't